Racing Hockenheim with our 1981 DRM League. Coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hey everybody, this is Trevor Selescu, owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada, and tonight I am so stoked, dude! And you may be wondering why. Well, why? Why indeed? Well, this is why. Our cars finally came in from Carrera, and now we actually have the full-out 1981 DRM League. No more me filming like DTMs and GT3s and cars from the 90s and cars from 2018 and none of that. None of that. Wrong. Bad. Tonight we're racing our DRM cars, like this 1981 Porsche that was known as Moby Dick because of this great big whale tail on the end. And let me tell you, this guy is a tricky pony to drive because she wants to go shoo, bloop, in the corners, as you will see when you watch this amazing race video. Also, we're going to try something new. Look for little boxes that pop up here with me talking in them. That's always cool, isn't it? Yes, it is. Okay, without further ado, let's go down to the races. Yeah, because this one here has no microphone. All right, here we are in Hockenheim with the new cars for our league. So now everybody has the right car. My daughter took the overhead camera because it's hers, she says. So can't argue with a 10-year-old. So we got 3 cameras going. And we got Dale back in. Hey everybody, down here, look at me. This is Trevor Selescu, owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada, to tell you quickly about our Patreon page. If you like watching this video that you're seeing up above here of everybody racing and having fun, and you want to build that track, Hockenheim right here, how awesome is this? If you want to build that, come over and support us on Patreon, and I personally will show you how to build this track here. And one of the advantages of being one of our patrons is you get your name in the credits, like these guys.
Right at me.
Come on, guys, can you
and you can also get yourself Monster Hobbies shirts, stickers, pencils, and other cool things just by being one of our members at one of our many tiers. Go over and check it out. See what kind of thing you like over on our Patreon. The link is below in this video. Okay, back to our race.
Someone want to grab me?
Oh.
Okay. What are the numbers?
Lap 819, 4531. You might as well live there, Dale.
Hey guys, down here. Hey, who do you think is going to win this tonight? Pick a number out of these 9 guys and write it in the comments.
Can't wait till my hood comes off. I don't know. I can't stay on.
Don't text and drive there, Josh.
He's not driving, so...
Oh, took out the little camera. That's going to look good on film. Okay, time for a new camera position.
Lap 30, 5431. Kevin has taken the lead.
Are you looking for great cars and track? See what we have at www.monster-hobbies.ca. Link below.
Got to put you back in, Mark.
Lap 40, 5-3-4-1.
Didn't want to hit
Like a right hand 90-degree turn.
Oh, wow.
Lap 50, 5-4-3-1. $51 laps.
Kevin, Howard, Mark, and Daryl, 52 laps. Here we are again, back after the race at our amazing scoreboard. And I ended up with 21 points and tied with Glenn for 21. Daryl got 16. Mark got 30 points. Kevin was doing really hot at 42. Howard got 28. Not so good this night. And Josh got 48, just 1 point down from last week. Eric got 16, and Dale, coming out of retirement, got 54 points. Not bad for the first run. He actually aced all 6 races that we did. And now let's see how this affects their standing. Here we are down at the other end of the board, looking over our standings, and coming in with my finger from this direction, dun 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 dun, like Monty Python. You can see that I am in 6th place with 72 points. Glenn is in 5th with 73. Daryl is in 7th with 57. Mark is in 4th with 77. Kevin is in 1st with 142. Howard is 2nd with 133. Josh is in 3rd with 97. Eric is in 9th with 36. And Dale, coming out of retirement, is 8th place with 54. So he has a lot of catching up to do, but he could easily do it in 3 leagues if he aces everything. So no pressure, Dale. All right. Well, everybody, I hope you really enjoyed this amazing race, and I'm going to remind you so that you won't forget to check us out on our Patreon page. Because, hey, if you saw us, a bunch of guys up here in little old High River having a ton of fun on this very track, and you got excited for that, and you personally want to see in your basement all your friends having that great amount of fun, your kids, your grandkids, your friends, your family, that guy down the street, whatever, and you really want to have as much fun as we have at Monster Hobbies racing all this stuff week after week after week, well, guess what? I personally, Mr. Trevor Selescu, owner of Monster Hobbies guy, am going to show you how to build this massive track that you can have built yourself for the fun of it, whatever, on our Patreon page. And you can unlock me building this great video, but you got to take that action. Unlock for only $3. $3. That's in your couch, that's wherever. It doesn't mean anything. $3? $3, you get to have all that fun with this track. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Just subscribe to us over on Patreon and unlock all the secrets. And there's other tracks there too. Did you know that? Well, I'm telling you, there's great stuff. There's Nürburgring, there's Le Mans, there's all kinds of stuff. Well, if you don't find Le Mans right away, it'll be there, because I don't know when you're going to watch this video, but Le Mans is in the future. Anyway, until next time, race fans, thank you very much for enjoying this show, and thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing it with all your friends. And until next time, happy racing.